So here's H Sleep app. If you just open it up, so how to use it? Obviously, you need to have a Hedge product. So you just need to get the device, plug in the device, and get your Wi-Fi password ready. Write it down or copy it from wherever you save it. During setup, keep your Hedge close to your Wi-Fi router, so it helps. And then, yeah, you can just move closer to your device. Make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your phone. And yeah, that's how you just add this product. It's pretty cool idea. It's a great gift for holidays, for Christmas, for New Year's. So Hedge Sleep app makes easy to get most of the Hedge family of products. There are full family of products like Restore, Rest Mini, Rest and Rest Plus. So it's kind of similar to like Google products or Alexa, but it's really just focused on your sleep. Um, so yep, just you can this device actually has really advanced features for your sleep routine, like customize how you fall asleep, lights and sounds, so you can wake up with very specific nice sounds, alarms, and also with specific lighting. Also, you can, when you just want to fall asleep, it can also create this kind of fall asleepy lightning like sunset, sunrise alarm, perfect reading light every time, wind down for bed with channels, created playlist of music, dreamscapes, and sleep stories, dreamy sleep sounds. So everything in this cool device, which you can see, sleep deeply and wake gently. So yeah, kind of you can see the idea here, how control the device from your phone and all of that. So then yeah, you can just open it up and just add the product. Then there's settings. Um, yeah, and then you can always reach out to their help center. Then if you don't like actually the account, you can just tap to delete account in the bottom. That's quite convenient. So yeah, give a try to this tool. It's growing in ratings. It was a hit this holiday season. A lot of people bought it. And yeah, it's quite fun. As you can see right now, it's in top charts of health and fitness. So try it out.